Okay, coin roll hunters and metal detectorists. It is the middle of winter here in Michigan, so the ground is frozen, but that doesn't mean that we can't do something somewhat of a treasure hunt. Today I got a stack of $5 bills, $100. They're called a bank strap. So 100 of them is called a bank strap. And what I'm going to be doing is going through them looking for a couple of different things. First of all, the serial numbers. When they're consecutive, or like this one here, actually the first one right here has double zeros on both ends. Those are called bookends. And there's a lot of different things you can look for in the serial numbers alone that are quite interesting, and actually they are of some value. Another thing is where you see the JF up here in the front corner and the B on this other side, sometimes they don't match up down here. So you look for that. Also, the seal on the right, the green seal, sometimes that's black or missing, and other errors that you can find. But the main thing I'm going to be looking for is where you see this B right here. There's what's called a star note. And what it is, star notes are when they're running these in the mint and they find error bills or bills that are messed up for whatever reason, they take those and destroy them, and they cannot use the same serial number. It is against the law for them to do that. So what they do is they take out that last letter, that letter B, and they put a star there, a green star, and they're called star notes. And you can actually look them up online to find out, depending on the run, which is the J and the F, and the year or the series, which is the year, it will tell you if they're a low mintage run. And even though the serial number might not be something as spectacular as this one, which isn't real spectacular, but it's kind of neat having double aught on both ends. Even if it's just a jumble of numbers and letters with the star note, it can still be very valuable depending on how many bills were printed. You know, sometimes it's 3 million, sometimes it's 10 million, and sometimes it's under a million, which makes that bill very valuable. And you see these going on eBay from anywhere from 2 to 3 times face value, and I'm assuming some of the more rare ones are even more. So it's just something fun to do, and you know, probably won't take very long. I'm not going to bore you with going through each one, but you know, at the end when I'm done, I'm going to show you what I find. So let's get at it. Okay, so here we are. After all that searching, I did get one star note, as you can see right here. Now, I haven't looked it up to see what the value might be, but you can see the run is M, and the series is 2003. Yeah, it looks like 2003 to me. Yep. And it's in very good condition, as you can see. Just a few little waves in it, but no creases that I can see. And the one corner up here is slightly dinged. But other than that, it's very crisp and very nice. And the only other bill that was of interest was the one that was right on the very top, and that's this double zero, or they're called bookends. There's all kinds of different ones you can get. 4 numerals, numbers of the same are good. Numbers in succession, they're called ladders. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Different things like that are different values depending on what you get. And so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just something to do in this winter months, and I did get a keeper. I might hang on to that double aught too. We'll see. Maybe I'll put it on eBay and see just give it a try and see what happens. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. God bless you. Stay safe, stay warm, and we'll see you on the next video.